Welcome to part 4 of the top 7 basic functions you should know in Excel. In this video, we're going to focus on the min and the max functions. So these are really useful if you've got a list of data and you want to know the minimum number and the maximum number that's in there. So I've got a very small amount of data, but it's nice and basic and easy to work with when I'm doing these quick demos. I want to know what is the smallest order number and then what is the largest order number. So that is my example I'm going to work with. Just like the rest of the functions, you can use the formula tab at the top if you're looking in the ribbon. You can use the FX, or you can just start typing in because they have really easy to remember simple names. So I'm going to start typing in because we're now used to this. We're on video 4. And remember, I'm going to start with equals. When I do equals, it knows I'm doing a function. So I'm just going to start typing in the easy to remember name, which is min. And when I do, I can see minimum, min option, minimum is what I'm looking for. Just like before, it's opened up a bracket and I need to tell the system, I need to tell Excel what cells to look at. So I can type it in, or I can just click and hold and select. Please do remember to close your brackets before you press enter. It's so easy to forget. And then the minimum order amount that I've got on there is 25. So really simple and really easy. If you've got a whole host of data, then it might be quite useful for you to use that. There is also then a max. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for the maximum. I'm going to get rid of that and I'm going to do an equal sign again, and I'm going to start typing in max. So instead of the minimum, I now want to know the biggest order amount that I've got there. And I'm going to select the cells again. I'm going to close my brackets and I'm going to press enter, and my largest order amount on this table is 200. So really simple if you want to find your minimum number and your maximum number in a load of data and you want to create a function for that. So have a go at those. Please do check out the rest of the videos in the top 7 basic functions. Please like and subscribe and let me know if you want any specific videos.